Hello everyone and welcome to Happy English Kids Unit 8 Body Parts. Body parts. Ear, ear, ear. Nose, nose, nose. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Hand or face, face, face. Feet, feet, feet. Hand,